Hi, this is Aisha of Event Decorator Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each of you for coming back because today starts the DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021 that I told you all about on my previous video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some fall wedding DIY centerpieces that you can make for your fall wedding. Now, I have 3 centerpieces that I'm going to be showing you, and also I'm going to be putting in the description box my affiliate links where I purchased the items from. There are affiliate links, so you make sure you go and check them out if you would like to purchase the items that you see in this video. And remember, it's no extra cost to you, but I will receive a small commission. Alright, so I'm going to be uploading twice a week for the month of October, this month right here. So I'm going to be uploading 2 times a week, and each day, Tuesday and Thursday, I'm going to be doing a different DIY wedding idea for your fall wedding. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I just want to say thank each and every one of you. I have reached 1,000 subscribers. I am super excited about that. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. All right, so make sure you come back on Thursday because there will be another video, as well as every Tuesday and Thursday for the remaining months here in October. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope that you all have a blessed day, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right, everyone, so here is my DIY fall wedding centerpiece idea, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to start right here with this tablecloth, and all I did was just add a beautiful black velvet tablecloth here on this table, and then I added these beautiful gold candles as well as the candle holders. All right, as you see, there are gold candles on the inside. And the color that I'm using for this series, I'm going to use a variety of colors, but the main colors are going to be the burgundy, the beautiful blue, and gold. All right, and when my husband and I, we got married, those were our colors, burgundy and gold, and I absolutely love it. So I decided to add a beautiful color of blue, like a pop of blue. All right, and I'm going to be putting in the video here the cost of this centerpiece. And as you see, I added these beautiful hydrangeas that I got from Michael's. They are gorgeous. I love the colors, and I love hydrangeas anyway. So that's beautiful. I also purchased this vase from Michael's, and it's a 18-inch vase. And all I did was add some beautiful pearls here at the bottom. And you can add as many pearls as you would like. You can actually add anything you would like here at the bottom. All right. And then I went and added these beautiful feathers because feathers are trending and they look gorgeous for a wedding. All right. And again, you can add any color you would like. These are just some ideas that you can use. All right. So this is centerpiece number 1. All right, everyone, so here is centerpiece number 2 that I will be showing you. All right, and I still have the 2 gold candles here, the candle holders with the gold candles on the inside. And this time I switched out and used my gold vase that you see right here. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, this vase came from Joann's. All right, and all I did was just add these beautiful flowers that I have here. And remember, I said I'm going to be using burgundy, so I have the burgundy, I think they're roses, as well as the beautiful peach or blush flowers there. All right, and I also added these cute little green I don't know what you call them, but they are gorgeous. So I decided to add them all throughout the centerpiece, the flower centerpiece here. All right. All right, and again, this would be gorgeous to put for a wedding centerpiece. It could be, you know, in the entrance when people come in the front of the church or the venue. Will be beautiful. All right, so I'm going to do one more centerpiece, and that'll be centerpiece number 3. All right. All right, everyone, so here is my DIY fall wedding centerpiece number 3. And as you see, I have kept the velvet tablecloth here on the table, the black one, because I think it is gorgeous here, and it shows the colors of pretty much what I'm using here for the centerpieces. And as you see, I just add these beautiful diamonds around the table, just like this. And I'm going to be linking in the card section the video where I use these beautiful diamonds. I did a tablescape, so make sure you go and check out the videos that I'm going to be linking in the card section. All right, and I added these beautiful blush flowers as well as the blue lilies. I absolutely love Cali lilies, so I added these right underneath the blush flowers. All right, and I added them on both sides. All right, and here's the 18-inch vase, and I just filled it with water and added this silver floating candle on top. And of course, you can light the candle, or you can use those there's some different type of candles that you can use that I think they run by battery, that you can use if you do not want to take the chance of lighting real candles in a venue. All right, and here's the other vase that I purchased from Michael's, and this is the 14-inch vase. And I did the same thing, which I added water and I added the floating candle on top. All right, so I'm going to stand back so you can get a good look of the entire centerpiece area. All right, it is absolutely gorgeous. All right, and these diamonds I purchased from, I think I got these from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure. I've had them for a while now, but I use these. I got these blue flowers from Amazon, as well as the blush flowers. And I got these 2 vases from Michael's. And I got the floating candles from Michael's also. And I've had the floating candles for a while, but I just wanted to show you what you're able to do. Very reasonable for a DIY fall wedding centerpiece. All right, and this will be gorgeous, like entering a venue, you know, at your wedding. All right, so I want to say thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this DIY fall wedding centerpiece idea video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you come back on Thursday, because I will be uploading videos twice a week during the month of October, which I am doing a DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021, where I'll be showing you different fall wedding DIY ideas that you can do for your upcoming wedding. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you all Thursday.